Are you wondering how to establish a professional presence for your business without the hefty cost of a physical office space? Today, we will guide you on how to get a virtual business address. Before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. First, let's share some numbers that will surprise you. According to a recent study, 56% of the United States workforce holds a job that's compatible with remote work. This signals a seismic shift in how we perceive business premises. Now on to the steps. Step 1. Start by identifying a reputable virtual office service provider. Our own organization can serve as one, with different pricing and features to choose from. Step 2. Once you have a provider, you will be asked to choose a location for your virtual address. This can be in a city where you wish to establish a presence, or where your target market is located. Step 3. After deciding on a location, you will need to select a plan. Most service providers offer different tiers, each with varying services. Basic plans typically offer mail handling and a virtual address. Advanced plans may include live receptionist services, business phone numbers, and meeting room access. Step 4. Once you have a plan selected, you will be required to fill out an agreement form, which includes details about your business and the terms of the virtual office service. Step 5. You will also need to complete a United States Postal Service Form 1583. This allows the virtual office provider to receive and handle mail on your behalf. Our organization can fill out and file the form on your behalf. And finally, Step 6. Pay for the service. Once the payment has been processed, you will receive your new virtual business address. Just as a reference, studies show that small businesses can save up to 78% of their operating costs by going virtual. This emphasizes the significant cost advantage of using a virtual business address. So, there you have it. With these 6 easy steps, you can establish a professional image for your business, reach more customers, and save on operational costs. To get started now, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps in this video? Is there a specific one that seems complicated? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.